Over the course of the last 2.5 months, the development team, or the dream team, as we called ourselves, worked on creating a method of producing and presenting theater online using integrated tools. And we present a new yet familiar theater experience by using video streaming tools to mix actors in real time while still abiding by social distancing protocols. This creates an accessible and engaging theater experience that isn't limited by the COVID-19 pandemic. Using the agile methodology that we learned over the term with Patrick, we were able to work hand in hand with the theater team to create, adjust, and develop multiple iterations of a workflow that best enabled the creation of a digitized theater experience. Throughout this process, communication was really key in creating a workflow that was best suited for live theater. So attending production meetings, listening to any concerns from the director, stage managers, or actors, and performing detailed user tests were essential to creating a show-ready final product.
OBS, or the Open Broadcasting Software, was the home base for taking in the multiple camera and audio inputs that we had, as well as all the images, videos, and other assets that we needed. And it then outputted to YouTube, but it could also output to other streaming services such as Twitch and even to Zoom if needed. It allowed producing a theater-esque virtual scene-by-scene structure, as seen in a little bit of small font on the bottom left of the center image, in order to pretty much align similar to how pre-existing stage manager or the general theater production workflow would be going, from literal physical scenes to scenes to scenes. It included the ability to superimpose actors from different cameras, position and animate assets in the scenes as we needed them, and program transitions between scenes, complex or simple. And it started melding what is considered traditionally film video effects with traditional theater. I'll pass it on to the Stream Deck portion off to Seth.
Yeah, so the Stream Deck is a streamlined and kind of all-encompassing tool for the stage management team. It allows them to intuitively start up the streaming software and set up the live stream, as well as execute virtual scene changes with no prior experience. The stage management user experience was inspired by the traditional and familiar workflow, which includes easily accessible pre-show checks, integrated buttons for key applications, linear scene changes, and most importantly, it does not impede the stage manager's ability to call lighting and sound cues.
An aspect of this project's deliverable we scoped for this term is to hand off the tools and workflows we used in this project to stage managers and others who are operating the production. To do so, we decided to create a series of documentation on tools and workflows the stage manager will use to familiarize themselves with the tech stack. Creating the documentation also enabled us to standardize the processes used within the development of the production. Using our free and published documentation and a few open source and accessible tools, anyone can mount a high quality production with nothing more than a computer and some cameras. This distributed model means that theater is no longer limited by the pandemic restrictions, borders, or expensive and complex workflows, and has the potential to bring others across the world together.